Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Hardy here. Corey Lillett. Hey. Wanting to go back over with you one more time today, because I got something in my eye. How to, since I'm sending this quiz out to you, how to get hold of it, how to take it, and how to get it back to me just in case. Because again, if I haven't heard from you yet, I've got to make sure that we do that so we don't end up with incompletes in the grade book. But a little more about that later. So in a few minutes here, once this video is posted, might even be a little before then, you are going to get an email from me that looks a lot like this one at the top, 8485 quiz, rational expressions. You open it up. There's going to be some directions in here, okay? 10 questions, extra credit question, okay? Got till Monday at 3:30 to turn it in, okay? Reminder about using your tools on the website. I will pop over there too in just a moment. But I want to start with, okay, the quiz is going to be down here at the bottom. If it's on your phone, it's also going to be an attachment down there at the bottom. If you're looking at it on a computer or a Chromebook, okay, we're going to chat about this in a couple different ways. If I'm on one of those, I can pop it up like this. Now, if I have the option to print at home, that's great. You print it out, you start working it like you normally do, okay? It would probably look something a little more like this at that point. So, you know, you're doing your work, whatever it is, do not follow necessarily what I'm going to do. I could be giving you bad info right now. You don't know. So then it's 2 over x plus 3x is 2 over 4x, 1 over 2x. Sure. And I'm going along and I'm doing my work and I'm doing whatever. Well, okay, Mr. Hardy, I don't have a printer available. That can happen. It absolutely can happen. So what if I don't have a printer available? Okay. And I pull this up and I'm looking at it on my phone or whatever I'm doing. Actually, let me do that. Let's take a minute here. Let me switch back over. So I'm on my phone. I go to my class email. And I realize I'm not in the right email account. So we need to take care of that. Let's take a little more time here. Okay, so, oh, that's not coming out well. Let's turn this down a little bit. So I look at my school email, and there it is. Okay, so I go ahead, I poke on it, and I'm looking, and I'm reading. And down the bottom, there again, is the quiz. I go ahead, I hit that. And I better be doing that, because my eyes are good, but they're not that good. And so what I would do in this case is, if I don't have the ability to print it out, okay, I get that first one there, and I'm like, okay, I got to write this down on my piece of paper. Quiz. I'll show you my paper in a minute here. 4x squared over 2x squared plus 3x. Okay. So I would go ahead. I would get that on there. And then again, whatever I think I should do as far as the answer goes, I don't know, maybe I think I should add those up. So 5x to the third. 4 over 5 doesn't reduce, but 3 minus 2 is 1. I don't know, maybe that's it. And I go through and I do that for the 10 questions. Okay? So once that gets set, what do I do? How do I get this back to Mr. Hardy? Some of you are just brilliant online, and you figured out some way through Google Docs to be able to take what you got and write on it and send it back and all that. That's good. That's fine. But no matter what you're doing beyond then, okay, most of us, including me probably, would say, hey, I need to take a picture of this and send it back to Hardy. What's this going to look like? So no matter what you would have for a device, okay, this would work even if you didn't have a phone and just had a netbook. You still can, a Chromebook, sorry. You can still take pictures with that. But I would bust out my camera and I'd sit and I would take a photo. If it takes a few pages because you write small or something, that's fine. But again, just make sure it's in there. Please get your name on it. That would be very helpful. Oh, there we go. Oofda, out of focus. So once you get that set, okay, if you're doing it on a phone, it's as simple as go back to your school email account, okay, reply to Hardy. Here's the best I got, or you can tell me what you've been up to, whatever you got. And then again, most of you, it'll either say attachment or you'll have that little like paper clip. Click on it. Your camera roll is going to pop up. However many pictures you have to send to me, go ahead and just click on them. Okay, if it's 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay. And you ship it off. And you're set. And that would work the same way if you were doing it on a piece of paper. Take a picture of each side, send it off to me. Okay, and that's all you need to do. And what I'll usually do once I get it is I'll just send you a quick email back with thanks and stuff like that, and we'll go that way. As I noted in the email, which let me shrink back down so we can see that, I will be putting grades into Skyward as I get things done, but I'm not going to write back to you saying, hey, you missed this one for this many points and why, until Monday at 3:30 to let everybody have a chance to do it, and I don't want people emailing back and forth going, oh, but this is the answer to this one. Monday at 3:30-ish, a little bit after, I will send out a key to everybody showing them here's how it worked, here's how it looked, and you can look at yours, so don't delete it the minute that you get it done, and you can see what you've got and where that's at. Again, your grade can't go down. It can only go up. So please, 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 okay, give this a try. A, so you don't end up with an incomplete. And B, because your grade can only do something with go up. So even if it's a struggle, okay, that's fine. But again, I put it in big letters right here in the middle of the email. Use the tools. Use them, okay? It's not cheating to use the review. It's not cheating to have the video going, hit pause and work on a problem and then unpause and go. It's not. So do the best you can on this. And again, if you do have questions with how to access or again, email me. But again, hopefully you've watched this video a little bit and can kind of see how this goes. I think that's about it for now. So hope you're still doing okay, and I hope to hear from you soon.